Good day, class. I'm teacher Edel, and for today's lesson, I'm going to discuss praise and different types of praises. So first, let me define praise. Praise is a group of words that go together but do not make a complete sentence because praises doesn't have a subject or predicate in them, which means that praises doesn't have a complete thought, which is needed to create a meaningful sentences. Phrases also act as a single part of speech in a sentence, like nouns, pronouns, verb, adverb, adjective, and so on. Here we are going to discuss 5 different types of phrases. First is noun phrases, which consists of nouns and all their modifiers. On the example given, woman is a noun. A woman in the window doesn't have a complete thought because it doesn't have a predicate. And this is an example of a noun phrase. Next, we have prepositional phrases, which begins with prepositions and end with a noun or pronoun. It is also a modifying phrase consisting of preposition and its object. On the example, the word on is a preposition, and carpet is a noun, which can also act as the object of the preposition. On the carpet doesn't have a complete thought, because it doesn't have both subject and predicate, and it is an example of a prepositional phrase. Next, we have adjective phrases. It is a prepositional phrase that functions as adjective. It can modify nouns or pronouns. It can answer what kind, which one, how many, how much, or whose. An adjective and an intensifier that is used together can also function as an adjective phrase. Here on the example, the word well is an adjective and very is an intensifier that are used together and function as an adjective phrase. Next, we have verb phrases, which are made up of verbs and all their modifiers. On the example, study is a verb at rest, and should is its modifier. Therefore, it is a verb phrase. Last is the gerund phrases, which are noun phrases that begins with gerunds. Gerunds are nouns formed by adding ing to a verb that describes an action like sleeping or begging. On the example given, waiting was formed on gerund because the verb wait was added by an ing. Waiting to be employed doesn't have a subject, therefore it doesn't have a complete thought, and it is an example of a gerund phrase. So that's all for today, and to test your understanding, you can answer this following question without looking on the presentation. So that's all for today, and hope that you enjoy learning. Thank you!